Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. And of course, that will impact your life positively. If making money online is your actual desire and intention, here on my channel, I review products and training courses that generally help you do exactly that. And today I have another amazing product, AutoVoiceProfits. This one is being launched by the super affiliate and vendor Sean Josiah, and is going live on the 15th of April 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this New York time for you. And of course, in a nutshell, it's a software that is going to help you make use of your voice and make money using your voice on certain websites that are programmed for that. It's a secret website where you are going to make $29 each time use your voice to create content on this very site. So it's very simple, 50-50 mechanism that will help you make money online. And of course, if as such this is one you may need to almost do nothing and make money online, I suggest you use the first link below in my description area. And that link will give you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which is this. And when you come to my bonus page, you will definitely find this button and find any of the other buttons like this one scattered all over the page to give you a chance to get a product of this very type. And with that said, I will show you through the amazing sales page of this great software, and of course take you to the members area. Unfortunately, I have access to the members area, but it looks like something is wrong with logging in, because I've not been able to log in. That's why it says these credentials do not match our records. So I don't understand. That's what I received from the very creator himself. But now it doesn't seem to be working. So I will go ahead to do the bonus page that I have for you, and of course take you through the sales page. Now stick with me. I'm not going to waste any of your time. This is going to take just a short while. Now this is the sales page, and this is the sales video you can watch at your convenience. It says the world's first system that pays us for reading. Exposed. This little known website pays $29 over and over for reading documents without having to speak a word myself. So basically it is like reading a document, and of course using your voice to do so on this very special website where you get this. It's just like having Spotify, having any of these podcasts for money sites. Most of these things are but the creator is making it secret so that you can patronize it and take advantage. So that's basically what I believe this is going to be, but it's up to you now to see if this is going to be for you. Now let us quickly scroll through and see what you have here as testimonials from the people who are actually beta testers of this very one, so that you can see if this is going to be for you. But if you really want to use your voice for a couple of minutes to make money, this may be the product you may consider to try. So that's all I can say. And of course, at your convenience, when you approach this very sales page, when you get here, it will definitely bring you into knowing exactly what the content of this sales page is all about, and you will be able to use that opportunity to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. The more voiceovers you make, the more profits you make. I know these $29 payments may seem exciting, especially with everyone flaunting their cars and mansions. Okay, so this is basically like podcasting. It's like making money podcasting, probably reading documents with your voice. So I mean, it's self-explanatory if you follow me. Now let us see if we can see all the vendor bonuses that I promised to give you, of course, in my bonus number 5 from the vendor. That will be all the bonus from the vendor that I'm going to give you on my list of vendor bonuses. You will find number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses. So definitely, if we are able to locate them, you will be able to see for yourself what they look like, and then we try to wrap this one up with the amazing bonuses that I have for you This is bonus number 1,493 a day Jumpstart Internet Marketing Kit. Bonus number 2, 0 to 500 a day in 30 days. Bonus number 3 will be 480 per day set and forget blogging system, and 30-day list explosion income, and 5 60 seconds funnel profits mastery. So that's about what you have, and I guess it has about 30-day money back guarantee in case you need to get refund and you don't like this product for any reason, or even without any reason. Now that's about that. Let us take a look at the pricing for this one and then see if it's going to be affordable to you. But I know that if you want to make money podcasting and reading documents as if you're a newscaster, this may be one product you need to begin to make money as early as it launches on the 15th of April 2022. Okay, this is the front end price. It goes for $19 with a downsell of a discount of $2. It gives you, I believe, $17. And then of course the upsell number 1 is the unlimited version, which is advisable to get if you get the front end, to get also the unlimited version of this, so that it has commercial license. It removes all the limits in the front end and puts AutoVoiceProfits on steroids and get upgraded to the ultra fast AutoVoiceProfits server, and you have the pro video trainings. Here you have the upsell number 2 done for you. It goes for $197. That will equip you with the done for you templates to get a full AutoVoiceProfits business suite, and you have complete set and general fine tune. Let us do everything for you. I mean, that's why it's basically called done for you. Upsell number 3 will be the supercharge. It goes for $67. Upsell number 4, the seller license, goes for $97, which means you will be able to have the support handle customers for you, and no technical skill is needed, and video tutorials also included, and so many more. Upsell number 5 will be passive income masterclass. It goes for $37. Upsell number 6, multiple streams of income masterclass, goes for $24.95. And of course, this very upgrade, number 6, equips members with the skill to create multiple streams of income through their 7 specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. So that's basically what you have. Now, this is my bonus number 1 for you, 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, automated business program that will give you this level of amount of money on daily basis if you implement the hacks and the tutorials that is going to benefit you from this one. Now, my bonus number 2 will be how to create free professional websites, which you can create on Fiverr as your handwork, and people will pay you for your services. My bonus number 3 will be how to get traffic to any link of your choice, targeted link or otherwise. You'll be able to learn how exactly you can do that effectively. My bonus number 4 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. I am an affiliate marketer myself, so if you want to be successful, and most of the online entrepreneurs that are successful, most of them are basically affiliate marketers, and so this very hack is going to teach you how to start from scratch. And my bonus number 5 will be, like I told you before, all the vendor bonuses which you have access to. So basically that's what I have for you. And when you use this link, when you get here using the link in my description area, it will take you to this very place where you use this link. And then of course on the sales page you can use any of the other red links similar to my links to actually check out on this one. Like this one, you'll be able to use this link to check out. When you do, under your purchase history on my WarriorPlus account, you will find a button that gives you a green access to your purchase, and here below you have access to the amazing bonuses that I've just read out to you, which will definitely complement and give you businesses in boxes. Okay, and now that's basically what this very one is all about. And here is where we definitely have to come to an end to AutoVoiceProfits, which is a software that will help you actually make money using your voice, reading documents and so forth and so on, and turning you into a successful podcaster with a special system that makes it possible for you to make $29 every time this voice is used. I mean, why use your voice to shout or to eat alone? You can use your voice to make money today. And that's what this product is all about. Definitely, this is where we end it. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And definitely, I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike, signing out from here. Bye.